All right, scholars. So as promised, I'm going to go ahead and start the video. I actually recorded the video earlier and then Miss Elijah made a huge mistake on the table, so I had to start all the way over. Oh my gosh, but guess what? Mistakes are a part of life, and all we do when we make mistakes is what? Fix them, and then we move on. So I have already underlined the important information. I'm gonna go ahead and read the text, and then I'm going to tell you why I underlined the important information. So let's go ahead and get started. 2 stores sell shirts and pants together in matching outfits. In store A, shirts cost 2 times as much as pants. In store B, shirts cost 4 more than the pants. For each store, complete the table. So over here I have table 1, over here I have table 2, and table 1 is actually store A. Table 2 is actually store B. So I underlined store A, shirts cost 2 times, because that tells me that I'm going to be multiplying something times 2. For store A, I'm going to be multiplying something times 2. And then I underlined in store B, shirts cost 4 more. Oh my gosh, 4 more. That means that I'm going to be adding 4 to something. So I need to figure that out. However, remember with multiplicative comparisons and additive comparisons, multiplicative, we can either use multiplication and division. And with additive, we can either use addition or subtraction. I don't care which strategy you use, however, we need to get the answer. So let's start out with store A. Store A, shirts cost 2 times as much as the pants. The shirt costs 2 times as much as the pants. Well, I'm missing the pants. How in the world could I find this out? I can either ask myself, something times 2 equals 8, or I can ask myself, 8 divided by 2 equals something. That's me using my multiplicative comparison, using either multiplication or division. So let me think. If I know my math facts, then I know that 2 times 4 will give me 8. Or if I decide to divide, then 8 divided by 2 will give me 4. So I'm going to go ahead and put 4 in here. Okay, now I'm to the number 7, but wait. The shirts cost 2 times as much as the pants. They gave me the price of the pants. Now I need to figure out the price of the shirt. So if my pants are $7, then wait, 7 times 2 equals what? Go ahead and say it because I know that you want to. It equals 14. So then, oh my gosh, I'm going to plug in. Let me write it over here because like I said, I messed this up earlier. There we go. Might be sloppy, but that's okay. I'm going to put my 14 there. Okay, now I'm to the number 4. Something times 2 will give me 4, or I can think of it as 4 divided by 2 will give me something. 4 divided by 2 is what? 2, absolutely. And then they gave me 18. If 18 is 2 times the price of these pants, oh my gosh, how much are these pants? Something times 2 equals 18. Or I can think to myself, 18 divided by 2 equals what? 9. All right, and then the same for store B. It's the same strategy, the same concept, but this time we're just using 4 more. When I talk about 4 more, what does that mean? Does that mean that I am multiplying by 4, dividing by 4? Absolutely not. What this means is I'm either adding 4 onto my price or I am subtracting 4 from my price to figure out what it is. So here it says in store B, shirts cost 4 more than the pants. So my shirt is $4 more than my pants. So then that means that I need to use my subtraction skills or addition skills to figure this out. Well, 15 minus 4 equals what? I'm going to give you a little time to think. It equals 11. Okay? If you want to double check your answers, you can. You can ask yourself, 11 plus 4 equals, and it should give you 15, right? Okay, well now I'm at 7. 7 plus 4 equals what? I have to find my missing numbers. 7 plus 4 equals what? I'll give you a little time to think. Equals 11. Yes. Okay, well now I'm at 13. If 13 is 4 more than my pants, then that means that I'm going to use my subtraction skills now. 13 minus 4 equals what? I'm going to give you a little time to think. You should have gotten 9. And then our last one. If I have 19 and 19 is 4 more than my pants, oh my gosh, I'm missing my pants. Ah, no. Okay, I'm literally missing this square that's in my pants column. So I need to figure out what number goes here. Okay, 19 minus 4 equals what? Give you a little time to think. You can blurt it out, because guess what? We're not in class right now. You can go ahead and plug in the answer. And you should have gotten 15, okay? If you want to double check, you can. 11 plus 4 equals 15. 7 plus 4 equals 11. 9 plus 4 equals 13. And 15 plus 4 equals 19, all right? If you need to revisit this video, that is perfectly fine. I went ahead and made one for you. So if you want to pause this video, you can, so that you can see the chart. We're still using that the shirts cost 2 times as much as pants. And we are still using in store B that the shirts cost 4 more than the pants. And here's your chart that you'll work on. So remember, for store A, you're either using multiplication or division to solve this. And in store B, you're either using addition or subtraction. Remember, the key is we have to understand that there's a difference between multiplicative comparisons and additive comparisons. All right? So go ahead and practice this. If you want, you can bring this in tomorrow. I'm perfectly fine with that. I'll check it while you're doing your morning work, and we'll be good to go with this assessment. You guys have been doing a phenomenal job. If any of the parents are watching, your child has been doing a phenomenal job. I believe in them, and we are going to rock this test out tomorrow. So I will talk to you all later. Bye.